Hi guys, welcome to another day of Techno Things. Now today in the program I will be heading to Danny's Auto. Now Danny's Auto is the largest uh, junkyard or used parts dealer in Grand Cayman or probably the Cayman Islands, and it's located on Seymour Drive, which is a short distance from here. Now if you're new to the program, I implore you guys to subscribe and click the notification bell for the latest videos. Now, this road is from the Owen Roberts International Airport, and I normally take it from here because many people, for me it's ground zero. Everybody comes here have to go through the airport, and it's the best place to let people start from. Now, let me give you a history about Danny's Auto or how it operates. Is that it's a junkyard, so Danny will purchase crashed vehicles or used vehicles from persons and sell the parts. And he's one of the few persons who is doing it here, and it is very, very relevant because you don't have a lot of them in Cayman Islands. So he's one of the go-to persons if you want parts for cars that the regular store don't sell, and they really don't sell it here. If you want something for your car like control arm or windshield, those type of things that are hard to get, you can always go to Danny, and if Danny don't have it, he will source it, and that makes his business very interesting and very, 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 very needy and demanding. So I'm traveling on North Sound Road, and as I say, it's not far from here, and I'm taking the much quicker, easiest route. To the right of the screen is where you'll find CUC, Caribbean Utilities Company, which is the provider of electricity in Grand Cayman. And I'm coming up to another of the utilities company. Well, I'm not going to pass it. I'm going to show you the road that takes it there. And to the left, I just passed it there, is where you'll find the water authorities, provider of water in Grand Cayman. You have to the left again, this is NRA, National or Public Works, that responsible for the government work in Cayman Islands, which is like the road and maintenance of government building. To the right again is where you find Parkers. Parkers sells parts for vehicles, and those are generally new and used. To the right is Paramount, it's an hardware, sells like tiles and hardware stuffs. So I'm gonna take the right now, and this is Seymour Drive. And Seymour Drive is where we're heading to Danny's, and you find a lot of business places here, mostly like factories and warehouses, buildings. To the right of there is an apartment. The right of the screen that you're looking at is a Seventh-day Adventist church. Also to the left is an apartment as well. To the right is a warehouse. To the left of the screen, there are cars, there are crashed vehicles, lots of crashed vehicles there, and there's a used parts dealer there, mechanic shop over there as well. To the left of the screen is Superior Auto. To the right is also Super Concrete. Superior Auto, there's the one in Jamaica. I'm not sure if it's the same branch. To the left of the screen is Super Mix. So they distribute, or they do pre-mix concretes for your houses. To the right of the screen again, I have to be going fast because we're passing the places. It's Jagas, that does mechanic work for like huge trucks. To the right is Flowers. Flowers is also a large corporation. They deal with security, water, so many things. So Danny's now, I'm taking the left here, and I'm gonna show you. I'm just, as I say, I'm gonna make a pass by. Done is it's a junkyard, so you know what our junkyard looks. No, so no surprises here. To the left is an apartment building as well, so you can see the outlook of it. To the right, lots of vehicles there to be scrapped and to be sold. So it's to the right of the screen. There's also Tolo's Auto that does mechanical bodywork. So, and there are lots of bodywork places here as well. There's a tire shop down this stretch. I'm gonna just pass there so that you can see. There's a mechanic to the right, and there's also a pre-mix concrete place down the stretch, and it's also showing to the right of the screen. So I'm just gonna make the turn here, and I'll just wrap up. So this is where Danny's Autos is, and as I said, Danny's is one of the most reliable places when it comes to used parts. It's very rare in Cayman Islands. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and you do leave a comment, and you can also, as I said, subscribe. You can share the video and make your suggestion as well. So I'm just gonna pass by once more, and in the meantime, this is Duke Rick, and I'm saying peace out.